We're Rachel and Austin, and we're traveling the USA in our Winnebago Rebel. We travel with our dog Olympia, who's living her best life. And today, we're on a walking mission around Savannah, Georgia. It has been a wonderful time trying to park here in Savannah, city with a lot of history and culture. We are on to our first stop. We're gonna go, I think, up to the park and back to the riverfront to get some lunch. Savannah is truly a place where the past and present come together. The Spanish moss really makes a debut here. So we've only cruised like a little way, but already every vibe of the city is exactly as expected.
It's pretty amazing.
Apparently we're missing out because there are jillions of boomer tours out here. Just
Tours galore, dude.
flick a stick, you will hit somebody on a tour. Of course, we had to grab some pralines at River Street Sweets, which has been in business since 1973. We skipped the boat ride since dogs aren't allowed, and instead got our steps in. We may have messed up on lunch. We did not make reservations. We didn't expect everything to have a half-hour wait, and I'm starving.
Yeah.
So we're going to
Huey's on the river.
Savannah, Georgia. It's been real cool. All the vibes that were expected. We're here.
We're received.
There is a massive rainstorm coming for us, so we about to dip. We'll see you when we have service. Bye.
Bye. What happened? Where are we going?
What's highlighted?
Look at us on a B-roll mission. Oh, wow.
This may be one of the best things I've ever eaten.